Hey guys, so today we're looking at Shiba Inu 5-minute chart, and we're going to be comparing GainzAlgo Pro and UTBot. So UTBot is a very popular indicator, although it's much worse than GainzAlgo. So let's start with the first trade. So as you can see, the first trade here was by, the first signal would have been by UTBot, and as you can see, it told you to sell. Now notice the market had already dropped here, and only after the market had dropped, UTBot told you to sell. What does that mean? That means that UTBot is a lagging indicator, right? So as you can see, would have started shorting here, and what happened then? The market started going up, right? So you would have, for a second, right? Well, actually, the other thing is, you wouldn't have entered at the top here, right? UTBot only told you to sell after, on this candle. So for a confirmed entry, you would have entered at the, after the candle closed. So you would have entered a short position right here. And then, yes, sure, for, 2 candles, the market, was down. But after, those 2 candles, the market started going up. And obviously, you wouldn't have taken profit, after such a small change. So, and if you would have waited for a bit longer, the market would have went against you. Now, as you can see, GainzAlgo instead told you to buy, and as you can see beforehand, the market had dropped, right? GainzAlgo told you to buy when the market hadn't gone up yet, so that makes GainzAlgo a real-time trading indicator. And no, GainzAlgo does not repaint; it only prints real-time confirmed signals, right? So if GainzAlgo would have entered a buy position right here, and you would have, as you can see, sold up here. So as you can see, that's a profitable trade. With UTBot, you would have started shorting the market here, and then you would have closed it after the buy signal here, and you would have obviously closed it here at the top because you would have waited for a confirmed exit signal. So that's a loss, as you can see, and with GainzAlgo would have been a profitable trade. Now, GainzAlgo then, before UTBot would have given you a second entry, GainzAlgo would have then given you, its second entry for a short position. And as you can see, once again, the market was going up, and GainzAlgo told you to sell while the market was still, pretty much bullish, right? There were still, very minimal bearish signs. So as you can see, GainzAlgo is super early with its signals, and then as you can see, another profitable trade, right? You would have started shorting right here, closed the trade right here, boom, simple. Then we had another profitable trade by GainzAlgo, right? So we would have entered right here, closed the trade right here, boom, another profitable bullish long trade. Now, UTBot would have told you to buy here, and as you can see, Imagine buying here. You're basically buying at the very top, and even beginner traders, even people who don't trade, know that the common saying of buy low, sell high, right? And this is the opposite of it. So obviously, if we're doing the opposite of what is profitable, we're not going to be profitable. So as you can see, this indicator would have told you to buy the very top, and then what happened? The price went down, right? So, and the reason, by the way, it told you to buy here is because the market had gone up. But when the market has gone up, it's more likely to then actually go down rather than just, keep going, right? Especially when you're in a ranging market. Anyways, so as you can see, then UTBot would have told you to short. It would have told you to short after the market had already gone down, right? GainzAlgo would have told you to short way ahead of time. Now, let's say, so if you were going to enter a short position, as you can see, you would have entered right here following GainzAlgo signals. You would have entered right here following UTBot signals. So as you can see, once again, a way better entry following GainzAlgo. And then as you can see, if you would have exited the trade on with the buy signal that GainzAlgo gave, that would have been a profitable trade, right? But if you would have been only following UTBot, you would have entered your short position right here, and you would have closed it right here. So as you can see, first trade that is not a loss, but still not a profit. This would have been a break-even trade. Well, actually, if we count the transaction fees, you still would have lost money with UTBot. Anyways, next step. So then we have a buy signal. As you can see, GainzAlgo gave a buy signal right here. UTBot gave a buy signal right here. Once again, as you can see, the lag, right? These lagging signals are, make a big difference, right? This can be a, profit and, a difference between a profitable and not profitable trade, just, depending on how early you entered. Anyway, so following GainzAlgo, you would have entered your buy position here, closed it here, boom, profitable trade, right? Simple. With UTBot, you would have once again entered at the very top, which is, it's just stupid, but anyways. And then you would have closed here, not profitable once again. Then you would have entered a short position with GainzAlgo, closed it here. Oh, my bad, grabbed the wrong tool. There you go. So as you can see, this time, this would have been a very small trade, but still profitable, unlike with UTBot. With UTBot, we would have, let me see. Oh yeah, so we would have closed that losing bullish trade, we would have then once again started shorting at the very bottom. I mean, once again, recently we did a video comparing GainzAlgo with super trend. It was the same story. All of these indicators will tell you to buy at the top and sell at the bottom. I mean, it's stupid. You're better off doing the opposite of what they say. And the reason, by the way, once again, the reason they tell you to buy at the top and sell at the bottom is because, well, it tells you to buy when the market has gone up, right? It tells you to short when the market has gone up. But I mean, that's just, those signals are just lagging. Like, this is not how you trade, right? Anyway, so if you would have shorted here and then closed your trade at the top here, once again, I mean, it's just a losing trade. So once again, yeah, like, you're better off doing the opposite of what these three indicators are telling you to do. But even then, you will still probably find yourself often losing. Now with so GainzAlgo would have told you to buy here. You would have closed the trade here. Once again, small but profitable trade. But as you can see here, the market was way more volatile. Now it's not so volatile here. But anyways, then you would have shorted following GainzAlgo, closed your trade right here. A bit bigger trade, and most importantly, profitable. With UTBot, if you followed UTBot, you would have entered a buy trade, and as you can see, it would have been literally at the very top. I mean, it's just, like, and the thing is, so many people use UTBot. Like, it is one of the most popular free trading indicators out there, right? And free indicators are obviously most popular. Anyways, so then, yeah, once again, would have bought at the top, sold at the bottom. I mean, even a non-trader would know that that's, stupid. Anyways, then you would have shorted here. Once again, shorted at the very bottom, and then, well, the trade would have been still ongoing. With GainzAlgo, you would have bought here, entered here, closed here, so that's a profitable trade, and this short would still be profitable. Anyways, so as you can see, ladies and gents, UTBot is a complete piece of trash. So if you guys want to get GainzAlgo Pro, now is the best time, because we still have that 80% sale ongoing, and it will be ending very, very soon. So if you want to get GainzAlgo Pro, go to GainzAlgo.com. I will also have the link in the comment section that will direct you to the exact page where you can purchase GainzAlgo Pro. But anyways, if you have any other questions, make sure to comment them down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.